make one of my best-selling custom shirts with me, which is the Drippy Lip Tee. These Drippy Lip Tees, I thought back in the day when everybody was talking about drip, like, they sold so well. So I'm thinking, okay, that, you know, the drip season is over. They're not gonna be stunned buying these shirts. I put them back out on the market for this football season, and when I tell you, they're selling like hotcakes. So right here, I am using Caesar Easy glitter vinyl, which is what I always use for the glitter vinyl, and I'm just weeding it out. The SVG is 3 layers, so this is the second layer that I'm weeding, which is the lips. And here I am just weeding the vinyl out. This is one of the easier layers. Now this gold layer, honey, baby, I made this on live, and I know it took every bit about 20 minutes just to weed this one layer, because it has all the little small dots, which when you're thinking about it, probably like, oh man, I do not want to weed that long. Yes, it do take a long time to weed. Look how pretty it is. It take a long time to weed it, but at the end of the day, when you make the shirt, it's just so worth it. You just make sure you charge your worth, because baby, it take a lot of time. So after I weeded everything out, I am right here. I'm about to press the shirt. So I'm pressing the first layer, which is the bottom layer, and I'm doing it in gold. And the school colors for this particular shirt is black and gold. So I'm pressing it. I'm not pressing it for the full 15 seconds. I'm only going to press it for maybe 5 to 7 seconds, just long enough to make it stick. Remember that the vinyl do shrink under heat, so you want to press it just long enough for it to stick, and go ahead and press your next. So for me, I'm putting the mouth on next, as you can see here. Now if you have a different color, I could have left it black, but I wanted to use vinyl. If you have a color shirt, you will need to put black, because you have to put the teeth on. And now I'm pressing the second layer, which I'm just lining it up with the inside of the mouth, and I'm layering it on. Now the SVG that I have created, I have it on my Etsy shop, by the way, if you want to grab it. It is only the bottom layer and the top layer. This third layer here with the school logos is not part of the SVG. I just have school logos for custom customers. So if you want this SVG, it is available on my Etsy shop, Crafting with April Academy. If you click the link in my bio and click on Etsy shop, you'll see the Etsy designs that I have. And now I'm just putting the teeth on. So again, I just press everything about 5 to 7 seconds, just long enough for it to stick. And this is the end result, y'all. And I do a little extra press after. You don't have to do that. So y'all follow for more tutorials. If you want SVG, go ahead and grab that thing.